Now I'm going to show you how to make one of the most effective breaks of all. This break is called the Electro Funk Daddy Superstar break. Now, for this, you'll need a that's an 808 clap, and also a bit of that's a dry snare. Then you'll also need some that's a 909 clap snare, and then of course some that's a kick, and then the that's some bass, and some and for good measure, that's the synth. Oh, and no break, of course, would be complete without a bit of a shuffle. So for this, we're going to use some household white noise. You can get this from your TV. I got mine from Sainsbury's. Now, you have to make sure you've filtered out some of the middle frequencies, otherwise your white noise will sound very much like this does, which is you don't want that. We want a much more tinny sound with a bit of rhythm to it, so let's see if we can't use this household sieve to filter it out. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Who'd have thought, eh? Now, let's give it a spin and see if it's got any rhythm. Definitely got rhythm. Fantastic. Now I'm going to add the and one by one in order. Let's see if it works, shall we? If you don't get all your hair in your mouth, you can certainly ensure that you at least get a decent break. It's worth noting at this point that some people like to put fish into the recipe at this stage. Sometimes canned salmon, sometimes tuna. Don't do it. I'm now going to put this in the oven, and it's going to bake for 3 years at 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's one I made earlier. Beep.